Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Maths is Fun. Today my topic is sequence and series. In sequence and series, we have already learned the AP series, arithmetic progression series. Now today we will learn the geometric progression series. Now how you can identify the geometric progression series. It can be identified by the ratio. Now what is ratio? If we have a series 2, 4, 8 and we have to find the fifth term, a is 2, ratio will be 4 divided by 2 is 2, second term divided by first term, or we can say the third number divided by second number, we will get 2. If the ratios are same, then it can be easily identified that it's a geometric progression series. If the difference between the two numbers is same, then it will be identified that it's a AP series, which we have learned in the previous lecture. Now moving towards the formula, which is Tn is equals to AR n minus 1. We have to find T5. A is 2, ratio is also 2, n minus 1, which is 2 to power 4. It will become 2 power 5, which is answer. Now moving towards the sum formula, we have two sum formula. If the ratio is greater than 1 and if the ratio is less than 1. If it is greater than 1, then the formula is Rn minus 1 R minus 1. If it is less than 1, then the formula is Sn 1 minus Rn upon 1 minus R. Let's do one question of each formula so you can easily understand. For example, we have a same series 2, 4, 8 till fifth term. A is 2, ratio is also 2, n is 5, and if we want to sum the number till 5, then the formula is A R n minus 1 R minus 1. Simply put the values 2, 5 minus 1 R minus 1. R is 2 minus 1. So simply we can put the values and we will get the answer. Same case for R is less than 1. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.